Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you content creators out there. How to schedule Instagram Reels using Meta Business Suite in 2025. If you're tired of posting manually and want to streamline your social media game, this tutorial is for you. By scheduling your Reels, you can maintain a consistent posting schedule, reach your audience at peak times, and free up more time for creating awesome content. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have access to Meta Business Suite. If you manage an Instagram business account, head over to business.facebook.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Creator Studio tab. It's your hub for all things content management. Step 1. Select Instagram from the left-hand menu to focus on your Reels. Then, click on the Content or Library section where you can upload a new reel or choose one from your drafts. For 2025, Meta has made this even easier with updated interfaces, so look for the Schedule option right there. Next, upload your reel video file or select an existing one. Add any captions, hashtags, or music directly in the editor. Don't forget to optimize for engagement. Now, hit the Schedule button. You'll see a calendar pop up where you can pick the exact date and time for your post. Meta's AI might even suggest optimal times based on your audience's activity, which is a game changer for 2025. After setting the date, double-check everything: your video, captions, and audience targeting. Once you're happy, confirm the schedule, and you're done. Your reel will post automatically without any hassle. A quick tip: always preview your reel before scheduling to ensure it looks great on mobile. And remember, consistency is key. Use this feature to plan your content calendar ahead of time. There you have it, folks. Scheduling Instagram Reels on Meta Business Suite is straightforward and a total time saver. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.